Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to ask GitHub Copilot questions in Visual Studio Code. Okay, so let's start with the first method. We have some of them. So yeah, we will go through all of them. Right. Um, you can use this method if you want a continuous conversation, need to debug logic, or want to ask general coding concepts. So if you don't see this chat right here, what you can do is just simply press Ctrl, Alt, and I, and it will open up this chat. If you are using Mac, you can use CMD, Shift, and I. And now you can start typing your question, input into this field at the bottom, and when you hit enter, you can get this. All right. What you can also use here is a hashtag that you really link the question to specific part of the code if you want. Also, you can upload some files, and as you can, as you are used on every other AI these days. Now we have the second method, which is pretty interesting. You can use this to modify the code or ask a question without leaving your active files. So how you can do that is click anywhere inside your code editor where you want to add or fix a code and press Ctrl I. And yeah, if you are using Mac, CMDI, it will open small floating text box and type an instruction like create a try catch block for this variable. So as you can see here, and press enter, and it will start wrapping it in tiny catch. All right, as you can see now, it's something finished. Okay. Now the third method is good for fixing or explaining code. So highlight the specific block of code you are questioning. So let's say this one right here, like that. Right click on this highlighted text and hover over Copilot in the context menu. So let's find Copilot right here. So as you can see, I don't have it right here, but I have KiloCode. So you can see here, explain code, fix code, improve code. This is the same with the Copilot. You have here Git view file history, or you can open in GitHub. So this is the third method that we can use. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.